Genesis 6, Leviticus, Numbers, Deuteronomy, Joshua, Judges, Ruth, 1st, 2nd Samuel, 1st, 2nd Kings, 1st Chronicles, 2nd Chronicles, Ezra, Nehemiah, Esther, Job, Psalms and Proverbs, Ecclesiastes, Song of Solomon, and the prophets are Isaiah, Jeremiah, Lamentations, Ezekiel, Daniel, Hosea, Joel, Amos and Obadiah, Jonah and Micah, Nahum and Habakkuk, Zephaniah, Haggai, Zechariah, Malachi. 400 years go by. Matthew, Mark, Luke, and John, Acts, and Romans, 1 Corinthians, 2 Corinthians, Galatians, Ephesians, Philippians, Colossians, 1 Thessalonians, 2 Thessalonians, 1 Timothy, 2 Timothy, Titus, and Philemon, Hebrews, and James, and 1, 2 Peter, 1, 2, 3 John, Jude, and the Revelation. These are all the books of the Bible. I read it for my survival every day. I hide God's word away inside my heart. It's the only way to start. I hide God's word in my heart every day.